ẹ̀yin tèmi OHUN RUGBO bọ̀ ọ́ láàrin actress Opeyemi Aiyeola àti olórin ẹ̀mí Tosin B. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀.
Hi everyone, good evening. It's your girl Opeyemi Aiyeola. Guys, please, I want you to pardon me. This video is for Tosin Adejumo, Tosin B. Now, Tosin, this video is for you. And the main reason why I've decided to make this video is because obviously you and I know we do not communicate. So I can't communicate this video at all. This is the only way I can communicate it. And also because Yorubani ibiti enude SLDB. But me believe we pay ibiti enude TSLD social media day. Tosin. Don't open Pandora's box. Don't start what you know that you cannot finish. Temilade is gone. Temilade has gone to rest. And I must tell you that that girl is sure resting peacefully. Tosin, all this narrative that you are trying to push to save face has got nothing to do with me or Temilade. And in your narrative, stop involving my name. Tosin. Tosin. In your quest to save face, do not involve my name. And stop this negative news or version trying to spoil Temilade to save your face. Tosin, I want you to know that anything you say about Temi, you must have evidence. So anything at all, I mean anything you say about Princess Temilade Olajide, you must have your evidences to back yourself up. Because evidence is yapa. God bless her soul. Temilade was already ready for all this that you are trying to do or you are doing. Because you've been doing it before she passed. Guess what? There are evidences that we have. Your voice. This one is not recorded or AI. Your voice, your chats, video recordings, just to let you know. However, you are trying to face to save yourself, save your face. Do it the right way. Say the truth. Tosin B, say the truth. If you know you cannot say the truth, zip it. Zip it. Don't start what you cannot finish. Don't wake sleeping dogs. Do not open Pandora's box. You and I know it will not end well. Don't push it. Don't push it. I am trying to be as mature as possible. And also, I am holding on to faith that heaven should fight for Temilade. Because when we humans fight, kò lè dàbí ìyà yẹn ò lè jẹ́ tó kí ọ̀run kó dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí. But because I want heaven to fight, I am trying to stay calm and cool. I want to see how heaven and God and the angels and Temilade herself will pay you back in the fold that you deserve. Tosin B, do not wake sleeping dogs. Do not open Pandora's box. Do not start what you cannot finish. Zip it till heaven begin to expose you, till the works of your hands begin to expose you, till karma find you, because karma will find you, till nemesis and all the natural law of nature that the divine has put in place begin to work, because they will work. The law of what you sow, you will reap. Don't let us humans start. I don't want to start, because I want you to reap your reward. Temilade was a wonderful girl, a beautiful soul that should be emulated by several. Even in me at 48, I have learned, and I am learning through our journey, from our story. Tosin B, the family and friends, they've come together to put together Temilade's final wishes. Most of them, it has been communicated to you. Respect it and do what you have to do. That girl gave clear instructions before she left. Heaven gave her that grace. You know, that girl was extremely intelligent. She knew. She knew what would happen after she is gone. She knew exactly what you will do. That is why she kept evidences and gave the go-ahead. In fact, all evidences, Temilade, God bless you. Continue to rest where she go. Masu. That girl, it's not just you. That you are talking. Warn them as you are warning yourself. Warn everyone that have got skeleton in their cupboard when it's got to do with Temilade. That girl has got evidences. Voice, video recordings, chats. She made videos herself. She took the camera and made video herself. Tosin B, let me tag Tosin B. Let me pass this message to Tosin B. Tosin Adejumo. Watch yourself. Don't start what you would not dare finish. Zip it when it's got to do with Temilade. Timba tu gbepo bomo yen loruko je. Timba tu gbepo lo soro kan tí ó dá tí ó through nípa Temilade. Tó bá ti wá fẹ́ fọbalẹ̀ kó forúkọ mi le. Àbí kó sọ nǹkan tó ní àǹtí Ọpẹ́ Aiyeola. Tosin. Be warned. And in nǹkan tí Temilade ní kó ṣe that has been communicated to you, if you do not do it, it is not a threat. Evidences will have to be released. Because that girl is not what you have told people. She was never like that, and you know it.